Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center coming at you with another Milwaukee Monday. For this Monday, we have Milwaukee's M12 Installation Driver. This thing looks a lot like what you would normally see with a normal screwdriver in the M12 line, but it does have one really cool feature that Milwaukee has created. And it has, the thing that they did is they made a bunch of different heads for this installation driver. And so on a job site, if you just need a normal 1/4 inch impact chuck, then you got that. If you need an actual drill chuck, you have that as well. And all these things, they just lock on into place, and then it just acts like a normal drill. So Milwaukee has made 4 heads for these. It's the 1/4 inch impact. They have a right angle attachment. They have the normal drill chuck, and then they also have an offset driver. Now the great thing about this too, like say you have a really weird, you're putting up cabinets, you have a really weird angle that you have to get to on a screw. This installation driver, it has endless options for what angle you need to set it at. So it moves all over 360 degrees, and it really gets into just about any space that you could possibly have. It's really lightweight as well. It's got a guard on the front so that way you don't hit your hand when you're doing stuff. It has a forward and reverse, and then it has 2 speed modes. It'll go up to 1,500 RPMs and up to 300 foot-pounds of torque. So it's got plenty of power for any job that you have. We do have this in stock at our Hayes, Russell, and Stockton stores, like always. If you guys want to check it out, stop by and we got it. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. Hit the notification bell. It just alerts you whenever we post new videos. Also, comment on Facebook or YouTube which tool you want to see me do next, and be entered into a giveaway where you get a free Milwaukee 5.0 M18 battery, and also your choice of any color of the hats that we have. We love to hear your guys' comments. We love to see your guys' interactions on our videos, so make sure to subscribe and follow, and we'll see you next time.